I'm William Blais. Welcome to my 330 square foot shop where we squeezed in TM-0P from Haas. A lot of the work that I take on are small, intricate parts for robotic systems, whether it be welding or automation. So it's adapting to end effectors, picking things up, putting things down, as well as adapting things so that the robot can work with machine tools. When I was looking at machines and Haas came up as an option, the TM in particular, the TM-0P, was favored in my case because I'm only working out of 330 square feet. So I needed a machine that was going to allow me to start making chips, but wasn't going to take up the whole volume of my shop. I also only have single phase, and I didn't want to have to worry about peripheral things start moving into the shop. Once the machine was under power, on the floor, and commissioned, it was about a week before I was familiar with the control enough to get the probing going, use all the different routines, and start making chips. When I got my first real job for the machine and it started actually paying for itself, it became apparent that there was a need in many markets, and just through a series of networking and friends of friends, work started rolling in, and eventually it was enough that I could quit my regular day job and do this full-time. We also service the spray foam industry, so today we will be making the injection port that the two-part foam is mixed in. One of the most critical features is the thread that the mixing tubes screw onto, and the Haas wear control allows us to dial in the threads perfect. As we've started to grow and the cycle times have started to increase, we've really appreciated the rigidity and repeatability of the Haas. We don't need to tweak things or really worry about it. Tool breakage detection stops the machine should we not be standing right there. That way we can go tend to other things, whether it be business things or life. We have a small farm that we tend to. We have some goats and some chickens, and we'd much rather be relaxing and tending to animals than worrying about, do I have to work overtime this week to make ends meet. If you do it right and you manage your jobs properly, it's pretty simple to provide for your family, have the machine pay for itself. This business, this industry, and Haas has enabled all of those things to happen.